Let's be honest, life is busier than ever these days, and it feels like there's always something demanding your attention. Keeping your place clean can feel downright impossible, especially when the mess seems to multiply overnight. Between work deadlines, school assignments, and family obligations, who really has the time or energy to vacuum constantly? I'd clean up, and just 5 minutes later it looked like a dust bunny convention had rolled through my living room. Wrestling with a heavy vacuum, tripping over cords, and chasing after pet hair? That's definitely not my idea of a relaxing afternoon. My pets are adorable, but their fur is everywhere. On the couch, my clothes, and especially the floor. No matter how much I clean, it never seems to end. For a while, I just accepted that my floors would always be a little messy, thinking it was just part of busy modern life. But then I realized, why are we still cleaning like it's the 90s, dragging around old vacuums when our phones can do almost everything else for us? There had to be a smarter, more efficient way to keep my space clean without sacrificing my precious weekends or free time. I wanted a solution that worked for me, not against me, something that could keep up with my busy schedule and actually make life easier. So I started searching for a cleaning solution that would actually fit my lifestyle, not just add another chore to my list. And that's when I stumbled upon something that completely changed the game for me. Are you ready to see what made all the difference? Meet my new best friend, the Shark IQ XL Robot Vacuum. This little machine has completely changed the way I clean my home, and honestly, I can't imagine going back to life without it. This little robot is a cleaning genius. It glides effortlessly around furniture, weaving through tight spaces and corners that I used to dread cleaning myself. Set it up, connect it to your phone, and let it handle the mess. The app is super intuitive, making it easy to schedule cleanings even when you're not home. It maps your home, knows every room, and cleans exactly where you tell it to. You can even send it to specific rooms with just a tap. No more random bumping or getting stuck under the couch. It's smart enough to avoid obstacles and always finds its way back to the charging dock. The app lets you label rooms and set no-go zones. Super easy. You can keep it out of pet areas or delicate spaces with just a few taps. The suction is powerful. It picks up dust, crumbs, and pet hair like a pro. Even after a busy day, my floors look freshly cleaned. It cleans in neat rows so nothing gets missed. Every inch of the floor gets covered, and you can actually see the difference. My floors have never been this consistently clean. It's like having a professional cleaning service come by every day. Walking barefoot actually feels good now. No more crumbs or dust sticking to my feet, just smooth, spotless floors. Setup takes minutes and you're ready to go. Just unbox, plug in, and let the robot do the rest. It's like having a personal cleaning assistant. No complaints, just results. You can relax while it does all the hard work for you. Seriously, it's a total upgrade. If you want a cleaner home with less effort, this robot vacuum is a game changer. Here's the real magic, the self-emptying base. Most robot vacuums make you empty a tiny dustbin after every run. Not this one. The Shark IQ XL empties itself into a larger, bagless base. It holds up to 45 days of dirt, so you barely have to think about vacuuming. No more dust clouds or messy hands. Just schedule it to clean while you're out or asleep, and come home to spotless floors. It's a lifesaver for allergy sufferers. No more exposure to dust. The whole process is hands-off and super clean. I don't even remember the last time I worried about vacuuming. My home just stays clean, automatically. This feature alone makes it a must-have. It's true automation for your daily life. The Shark IQ XL isn't just smart. It looks great too. It's the kind of device you actually want to show off, not hide away. With its thoughtful design, it fits seamlessly into any modern home, making it a conversation starter as much as a cleaning powerhouse. Its sleek, modern design blends right in with my decor. Whether you have a minimalist vibe or a cozy, colorful space, it never looks out of place. The compact dock tucks away and the robot glides under furniture I used to ignore. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Suddenly, those hard-to-reach spots are spotless, and I barely have to lift a finger. More time for what I love, less time cleaning. I can finally relax, read, or just enjoy a cup of coffee while the Shark IQ XL does the work for me. My weekends are now for friends, hobbies, and relaxing, not chores. It's amazing how much more you can enjoy your home when you're not constantly tidying up. This robot doesn't just clean, it transforms your daily routine, making life simpler and your home fresher. It gives you back your time and peace of mind. No more stressing about unexpected guests or last-minute messes. If you're tired of fighting dust and pet hair, you need this. It's a game changer for pet owners and allergy sufferers alike. It's an investment in your sanity and your space. A cleaner home means a clearer mind and more time for what matters. Effortless, stylish, and actually effective. This is smart living at its best. Once you try a self-emptying robot vacuum, you'll never go back. It's one of those upgrades you'll wonder how you ever lived without. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart living tips and honest reviews.